Welcome back to the Humble Market Timer YouTube channel. Once again, if you enjoyed the content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video, I want to talk about ONDAS Holdings, ticker symbol ONDS. I think they are positioned perfectly with this situation in Iran if things escalate or become extended. Before I go any further, please take the description of my disclaimer. These are my sole ideas, not investment advice. Now, I've done several videos on ONDAS Holdings. It's been done quite well for me as far as when I've had it as a stock. It tends to work very well with technical setups, and I think it's in position right now for another big move. But before I go deeper into the technical aspect, I want to make note of a post that Elon Musk recently put out today, actually. He talked about how drones were a major factor in this attack, and that long-range drones and hypersonic missiles, that will be the way warfare will kind of take place in the future, to eliminate people dying, unfortunately, in manned aircraft. So usually he likes to give his point on how things are kind of moving in the world. Sometimes they're out there, sometimes it's pretty legitimate. We all know he's a very smart guy, but oftentimes when he says something, you have to pay attention to it. And so you want to look at, with the things that are going on currently with Iran, as far as the stock market, yes, you probably have a downtick in the overall stock market, but there will be tickers and sectors that will do well while we're involved in this type of conflict. And it is my belief that ONDAS Holdings, which is one of those drone tickers, will be one of the big winners in this conflict, again, if things escalate or if this becomes an extended conflict. Let's look at ONDAS Holdings from a technical aspect now. I made a couple of lines here that I've drawn just to kind of show you how it oftentimes works its way back to certain supports and resistance areas. You see when you have resistance here, if you continue to draw the line, you'll notice when we have pushes, it may break that line, but oftentimes it checks back at those lines. Again, this was another area of resistance here. We broke it, but again, it also acted as support when we checked back at that line. And so I drew another line here, and I think we may have some similar action with this line up here. Now, I also drew this parallel, and what really makes me very positive about the prospects of ONDAS Holdings in the very near future is look how it has traded within this parallel since about the middle of 2025. It kind of dropped pretty substantially, and it has curved off the bottom, and now we have been trading in this nice parallel. We've hit highs here, and then we hit the bottom of the parallel, then we went to the top of the parallel here, then went back to the bottom, went back to the top, and then we hit the bottom of the parallel recently. And so typically, if things stay in the same pattern that it's been in, we will bounce off this bottom portion of the parallel and spike higher. And now that we have this conflict sort of as a catalyst, because ONDAS, or ticker symbol ONDS, is in the drone sector, you could look for there to be a really nice push in the price. Now let's sort of zoom in on the price action a little bit closer. Again, you can kind of see how it is traded in this parallel, but I want to draw one more line right about here, and I'm going to stretch it out, and you can see that price action has sort of stayed in underneath this line. This line sort of has acted as resistance for ONDAS Holdings. It is of my belief that now that we have this conflict happening and we're utilizing, as Elon would suggest, we're utilizing drones and drone technology and software, I believe If we are to break this particular line, and I think that is something that could happen as early as Monday, if we break this line, you will start to see a lot of money flow into this particular company, and I believe we will make our way first to the midpoint line, or this trend line that I have here, or this resistance line I have here, and then once we break that to the midpoint line of this uptrending line, and I think eventually work our way to the top of the parallel, and that could be a push into the $16 to $17 range, maybe even $18 if it stretches out longer. But you're looking at about a 60 to 70% move possibly in the very near future with ONDAS Holdings. It has a history of making big moves when it does push higher. If we are in this conflict and you do see money flow, particularly into the drone sector, look for ONDAS Holdings to make a big push, and I believe it will push to the top of this parallel in that $16 to $17 range. So keep an eye on ONDAS Holdings, keep an eye on this drone sector and this conflict that we have going on in Iran. It could be extended. It might be something that can end quickly, but if things extend or things escalate, look for ONDAS Holdings or ticker symbol ONDS to be a big winner. Hope you like the content. If you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.